Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is Theorem Examples 4 and lecture number 17 and SW number 16. Okay, now let's start the class. Look, prove that the diameter is the greatest chord of a circle. You see, this is ABCD is the circle. ABCD is the circle. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. CD is a chord. AB is also a chord. But as this is passes through the center, so this is as a diameter. You see, if we consider CD is the chord, similarly AB is the chord, then both are correct. But remember, as AB is the passes through the center, so this is the greatest chord. That means we consider now AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter and CD is the chord. CD is the chord. AB must be a diameter because this is passes through the center. Okay, but CD is chord. CD is not the diameter. CD is not the diameter because this is not passes through the center or the origin point. We know in a line joining any 2 points of a circle are called chord. Okay, according to this definition, AB is the chord, CD is the chord. Okay, correct. But as AB passes through the center, so we consider here AB is the diameter and CD is the chord. CD is the chord. You see in the figure properly, you can easily say that AB is the greatest than the CD chord. AB is the greatest than the CD chord. Okay, but you have to prove this in the logically. Okay, you have to prove this in logically. Though you can easily say, sir, CD is the smallest and AB is the greatest. Okay, but you have to prove this in logically, so we need some construction. Okay, dear student, what I have told with you, now we have to write it. Okay, let's write. Let O is the center of the circle ABCD. Yeah? Look, O is the center of the circle ABCD. AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter and CD is the chord. CD is the chord. Remember, which is not a diameter. Okay, that means CD is the chord, but this is not the diameter. CD is not the diameter. Only AB is the diameter because this is passes through the center. Okay, now you have to write it is required to prove that it is required to prove that AB greater than CD. Now write construction Okay, now you join OC, and OD. Okay, now join OC and OD. Right here, join OC and OD. Okay, join OC and OD. Now you see that in this triangle, you see this is a triangle, you see this is a triangle, this is another triangle, and this is another triangle. But we have to prove that AB greater than the CD. Okay, now write proof. Now write proof. You see, from the center to AB, from the center to A, from the center to OC, OD, all are equal. You see in the figure right here, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. Okay? Right here, they are the same radius. Same radius. Okay? Now you write in a triangle, in a triangle, OCD, right? OCD, OC plus, you see the triangle OCD, OC plus OD. This is the greater than the CD. Okay? Look, you see OC plus OD must be greater than the CD. Why? Because we know that in a triangle, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Remember it, in a triangle, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, now mention it. In a triangle, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, now you write here, or you see OA equal to OC, similarly OB equal to OC, or we can say OB equal to OD, all are equal. Okay, so we can write OC equal to what? OC equal to, we can say here, OC equal to OA. Why OC equal to OA? You see, OC equal to OA. Similarly, OD equal to what? OD equal to, we can say OD equal to OC, right here, OC. Now CD. Now join. You see in the figure, look at the figure, you see, AO, you see in the figure, AO plus OB, AO plus OB. This means what? This means AB, right here, AB. Okay, look, you see again, you see in the figure, this is the OA and this is the OB, including OA plus, you see, you see here, you see OC equal to what? OC equal to OA, and OD equal to what? OD equal to we say OB. Okay, right here OB, right here OB. We see again. Look, OC equal to what? OC equal to OA. So I have written OC equal to OA. OD equal to what? OD equal to OB also correct, because you see OD and OB all are equal. Okay. Now we can say that you see the figure OA plus OB. OA plus OB. This is equal to what? AB. Okay. This is the required result. We have to prove that the diameter is the greatest chord of a circle. That means AB is the greatest chord. AB is the greatest chord. That means AB is the greatest diameter than the CD chord. Okay. Now right here proved. Now I want to talk with you about your SW. Okay. You see chapter 10 examples 4 page 164. This is our SW. Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CT marks, diary marks and SBI marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Dear student, no more today. You practice more and more and abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.